Hi everyone, it's Savannah for Kelowna Now, and I'm here inside a newly transformed Prospera Place, which is going to be hosting some bulls this weekend for the Okanagan PBR Championships. We're going to speak with Zane Lambert, one of the bull riders, to talk a little bit more about the sport and what attendees can expect.
What we try to do is bring the best show possible to the cities and stuff, and with that we've brought just bull riding. We've kind of eliminated the other rodeo events, and this is strictly bull riding, and that way we can bring it to cities all across, and people really like to watch the PBR and the bull riding event itself. So we've made an event out of just the bull riding, and that's the PBR. So the idea of the sport is that we stay on for 8 seconds, so we have to stay on our bulls for 8 seconds. They're a random draw what bull we get. Once we stay on for 8 seconds, then the judges go to work. There's 2 judges, and they mark the bull. 50 points for the bull and 50 points for the cowboy, and so you want to get on the best bull to get the highest score. It's rough, so you gotta really respect the bull and know your surroundings around you, and be smart about it to not get caught underneath them or in a tight spot. So they can be mean, or they can, they're just heavy. So yeah, there's tight spots you gotta avoid, and just heads up and respect the size of animal you're dealing with. I hope, come on, cheer me on. I'm really happy to be in Kelowna. I love the city, and I've been taking it in a little bit here, and yeah, I really look forward to our big event coming up. They add some pyro and loud music, and keep it a really upbeat kind of show. So it's entertainment the whole time, the whole 2 hours you're here. So it's a great show to come out and watch, and yeah, learn about bull riding.
If you want to take in all of the action of the Okanagan PBR Challenge here at Prospera Place at 7 p.m. on Saturday night, tickets are still available online and at the box office. For KelownaNow.com, I'm Savannah Bagshaw.